Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's map the strategies for improvement of contact rate in a contact center. Let's now explore strategies for improving contact rate, beginning with the foundation of all outbound success, enhancing data quality and verification. Your contact results are only as reliable as the data you are dialing from. To improve right-party contact performance, start data enrichment and validation tools that confirm whether a number is active, reachable, and assigned to the correct customer before any call is placed. Next, make regular CRM cleansing a disciplined routine. Remove duplicate entries, outdated numbers, and invalid records that weigh down connection ratios. When your database is clean and verified, every dial counts. And every connection has a higher probability of being the right customer. Impact: cleaner data leads directly to higher right-party contact rates, ensuring that you are precise, current, and ready for real results. Next, let's talk about a powerful modern strategy, AI-powered lead scoring. Artificial intelligence can analyze millions of data points, past call history, engagement behavior, response timing, and even sentiment trends to predict which leads are most likely to answer. Applying these predictive AI models, you can automatically rank leads based on their contactability score. This allows your team to focus dialing efforts on the highest quality leads first, rather than wasting time on low probability numbers. The result? Agents spend their time most with customers who are both reachable and relevant. Impact: AI-driven lead scoring prioritizes energy and resources on the most contactable customers, significantly boosting overall contact rate and campaign efficiency. Another key strategy for improving contact rate is to optimize the right party identification process, or RPI. Verification is essential, but if it's too rigid or time-consuming, customers may drop off before confirmation. That's why the goal is to simplify authentication, secure and compliant. You can achieve this by using one-time passwords, partial ID verification, or even AI-powered voice biometrics to confirm identity quickly and accurately. These methods reduce manual effort for agents and make the experience smoother for customers. Ideal RPI flow finds the perfect balance. Strong enough to protect data privacy, yet seamless enough to maintain engagement. Impact: a well-optimized RPI process increases confirmed right-party contacts, without adding friction or losing customer trust. Let's now discuss how to refine your dialer strategy, one of the most effective ways to strengthen contact rate. Your dialer isn't just a system, it's a strategic lever. To make it work smarter, use adaptive dialer logic that automatically adjusts its pacing based on your contact success rate. When the dialer detects higher answer rates, it can speed up. When contacts drop, it slows down, keeping productivity balanced with quality. For sensitive campaigns, such as collections or B2B engagements, switch to preview mode. This gives you review customer details before dialing, ensuring a more accurate and respectful outreach. Finally, consider blending predictive and progressive dialing modes depending on your campaign goals. Predictive for speed and scale, progressive for quality and control. Impacting dialer strategy improves right-party contact efficiency, while reducing wrong-party waste, striking the perfect balance between volume and precision. Another highly effective strategy for improving contact rate is smart call timing and retry logic. Timing truly is everything in outbound communication. By analyzing historical connect patterns, you can identify when your customers are most likely to answer, whether it's early lunch hour or evening. AI and analytics tools can detect these trends automatically and schedule calls at the most productive times. Equally important is your retry logic. Instead of making multiple back-to-back calls, which can irritate customers and trigger spam, use compliance-safe retry schedules, such as one attempt in the morning and another in the evening. This keeps your operation respectful, legal, and effective. Impact: smarter timing and intelligent retry patterns lead to more right-party answers, and a more customer-friendly outbound experience. Let's move to a crucial yet often overlooked strategy: caller ID reputation management. Your caller ID is your first impression. If your outbound numbers are flagged as spam or unrecognized, even the most relevant customers are likely to ignore the call. To regularly rotate your outbound numbers, monitor for spam labels, and wherever possible, register for branded caller ID, allowing your company name or logo to appear on the customer's screen. You can also use local presence dialing, which displays a number with an area code familiar to the customer. Small touch instantly boosts credibility and trust, increasing the likelihood of a real conversation. Impact: strong caller ID reputation and local presence dialing build trust and recognition. So the right person is more likely to answer, driving higher right-party contact rates and better campaign outcomes. Another powerful way to lift your contact rate is through omni-channel pre-warming. Before you make the call, warm up your customers by sending a short SMS, WhatsApp message, or email that clearly explains why you're reaching out. This simple step builds familiarity and reduces the unknown numbers. For example, a short message like, "We'll be calling regarding your loan payment in the next 30 minutes. helps customers recognize your intent, trust the call, and prepare for the conversation. This technique is especially effective in collection notifications and appointment-based campaigns where context matters. Impact: omni-channel pre-warming reduces call avoidance, increases right-party pickup rates, and transforms cold outreach into trusted engagement. Let's now look at another high-impact improvement strategy: segment and prioritize leads. One of the simplest yet most powerful ways to boost contact rate is to separate high-value and warm leads from cold or unverified lists. Start by identifying opt-in contacts, active customers, and high-value prospects. These are the individuals most likely to answer and engage. Once your segments are clear, assign dedicated strategies for each group. Use aggressive follow-up cadences for warm leads who have shown recent interest. And sort out outreach for cold leads to avoid fatigue and blocking. This targeted approach ensures that your best resources, time, technology, and agents are invested where they'll create the greatest impact. Impact: smart segmentation and prioritization improve right-party contact, protect overall contact rate, and ensure that every dialing effort aligns with business potential. Let's move on to another essential strategy: compliance-safe practices. In outbound operations, compliance isn't just about following rules, it's about protecting your business and your reputation. To maintain a healthy contact rate over time, use AI-powered scrubbing tools that filter out numbers listed under DNC, TCPA, GDPR, or TRAI regulations. This ensures your dialing lists include only the customers you're legally permitted to contact. Next, design retry logic that stays within regulatory time and frequency limits. For example, avoid excessive redials within short time frames and respect quiet hours defined by local regulations. These safeguards create a safe, respectful, and compliant outreach environment one that builds customer trust rather than risking penalties. Impact. Practices sustain long-term right-party contact performance while protecting your organization from fines and regulatory violations. Let's wrap up the improvement strategies with one of the most powerful habits of high-performing outbound teams: continuous monitoring and feedback loops. Improvement isn't a one-time event, it's an ongoing process. To keep your contact rate healthy, track performance continuously across as list source, campaign type, region, and even network carrier. This level of granularity helps you quickly spot what's working and what's not. Go a step further by running A/B tests on variables like call timing, dialer pacing, and channel mix. Since in these areas can lead to big improvements in right-party contact rates. Finally, feed those insights back into your process, refining your data, timing, and strategy continuously. Impact. Continuous monitoring and feedback loops enable proactive course correction, helping you sustain high performance, improve adaptability, and ensure every campaign gets stronger over time. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.